Reduce puffy eyes from crying. Best home remedies. The production of tears is a practical process that helps keep the eyes comfortable and moist. It also washes out dust and debris. There are different types of tears, including emotional ones that can lead to puffy eyes. This video will discuss home remedies to reduce the appearance of puffy eyes from crying. It will also provide some tips on how to manage flushing and dryness. Why do people cry? The eyes are always producing a certain amount of tears. Tear fluid, which originates from the lacrimal gland, flows over the surface of the eye and drains out of the corners of the eyelids. Traveling through the tear ducts, the tears then empty through the nasal cavities. Tears protect the surface of the eye and help remove debris from the eye. There are three different types of tears. Basal tears. These are the basic functional tears that are always in the eye. Basal tears lubricate and protect the cornea while keeping away dirt and debris. Reflex tears. These tears respond to irritation such as foreign bodies, smoke and onion scents. The eyes produce more reflex tears than basal tears, and they contain antibodies that help fight bacteria. Emotional tears. Strong feelings can trigger emotional tears. Emotional tears relate to attachment, physical pain, empathy, exhaustion, or compassion. When a person cries with emotion, they can produce more tears than the lacrimal drainage system can cope with. This causes the tears to run out of the eyes and sometimes the nose. Tissue around the eyes can then reabsorb the tears, making the area appear puffy. Home remedies. To reduce puffy eyes, a person may be able to reduce the appearance of puffy eyes with some of the following home remedies. Applying a cold compress. Anything cold can help with inflammation and swelling, as it reduces blood flow. Therefore, a cold compress, ice pack, bag of vegetables, or even refrigerated or frozen spoons may work. There are many cold compress eye masks available. Alternatively, a person can soak a towel or washcloth in cold water and apply it to the eye area for 5 to 10 minutes at a time. Applying cucumber. The image of cucumber slices on the eyes is infamous, but it can work when treating puffy eyes due to its high water content. Cucumber hydrates the skin and reduces swelling, working in a similar way to a cold compress. Cucumbers also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activity and contain vitamin K, which can help reduce dark circles. Applying tea bags. The key ingredients in this natural remedy are caffeine and natural tannins. Tannins work as an astringent, which means that they can constrict body tissue. Caffeine can penetrate the skin barrier, has strong antioxidant properties, and increases blood circulation in the skin. People may find that green tea, black tea, and chamomile tea bags all work. Chamomile in particular has high levels of antioxidants. Simply steep the tea in warm water, then chill the bags in the refrigerator for a while. Place a tea bag on each eye for a few minutes. Trying witch hazel. As a natural astringent and antioxidant, witch hazel has a tightening effect on the skin. Simply soak cotton pads in cold witch hazel, making sure to squeeze out all the excess, and apply to the area for 5 to 10 minutes a couple of times per day. Take extra care to prevent getting witch hazel in the eye. Using an eye roller. There are various eye roller options on the market that may help reduce puffiness, diminish dark circles, and offer anti-aging benefits. Rollers are generally made of metal and can apply eye cooling gels through a roller ball. The device cools the area and provides a mini massage to the under eye area, which helps boost circulation. Applying a face and eye cream. Many face and eye creams may help combat puffiness, cool down the eye area, and constrict blood vessels. Creams may contain ingredients such as retinol, vitamin C, phenylephrine, hyaluronic acid. Look out the organic products that have not undergone testing in animals. One study suggests that a topical eye cream containing complex carbohydrates and natural extracts can improve puffiness around the eyes. Trying massage. Anecdotal sources suggest that a simple self-treatment is to use the fingers to gently massage the eye area. People can run their fingers under ice cold water. Place the index finger on the bridge of the nose, under the brow, and massage along the under eye area. Gently tap along the skin and use the middle fingers to get the blood circulating. Changing the diet. Eating a healthful diet and staying hydrated may reduce the appearance of puffy eyes. For example, people can try the following. Hydration. Try to drink around 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Eat water-rich foods such as cucumbers and plenty of other fruits and vegetables. Moderation. Avoid consuming too many alcoholic, caffeinated and energy drinks. They act as diuretics and signal dehydration. Salt reduction. Cut back on salt in processed foods. Consuming additional sodium causes the body in retain water. Fluid retention may lead to puffy eye puffiness. Parsley leaves. Anecdotal sources suggest eating parsley to help flush out toxins from the kidneys. Herbal tea. Although placing tea bags on the eyes can soothe puffiness, drinking herbal tea may also have benefits for the skin. How to manage flushing. The blood vessels dilate when a person cries, hence the flushing or discoloration that appears around the eyes. Although many of the tips for reducing puffiness also apply to treating flushing and discoloration, there are specific color reducing eye drops available to purchase. Eye serums and creams are also available. How to manage dryness. The tears contain oil, water and mucus, and each element acts to protect and nourish the eye. Excess tears flow into small drainage ducts in the eyelids, but when these elements become unbalanced, dry eyes can occur. Dry eye treatments include over-the-counter artificial tear solutions, which can also be preservative-free. While at home, remember to blink regularly, especially when working on a computer for an extended period of time. Wearing sunglasses in bright sunlight can offer further protection.